How to empty the trash on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Photos application on your iPhone and then go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for recently deleted. Tap on it and then go ahead and enter your Face ID. Go ahead and tap on the select option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the three dots on the bottom right. Here you will see the option for delete all. Tap on it and then tap on the delete option again in order to confirm, and just like that, your recently deleted folders from the Photos application will be cleared. The next way is open files on your device and then tap on the browse option on the bottom right. Here you will see the option for recently deleted. Tap on it and then go ahead and select the items that you want to delete from your recently deleted tab in the Files application. Next, you can open the Notes application and then go ahead and tap on the Folders option on the top left of your screen, and here too you will see the option for recently deleted. So tap on the recently deleted option you see there and then go ahead and tap on the edit option and delete all the files that you want to delete from the recently deleted folder. Additionally, you can open the Voice Memos application on your iPhone and tap on the back button on the top left, and here too you will see the option for recently deleted. So simply tap on it in order to delete all your recently voice memos that you no longer need. Next, you can open the Mail application on your device and then go ahead and tap on the Mailboxes option on the top left. Here you will see the option for trash. Tap on it and then go ahead and delete all the mail or spam mails that you no longer need. So this was about how you can empty the trash on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.